Welcome back everyone. I am really glad you are here for Unit 8. Today we are looking at something very small but very powerful in English. The words a, an, and the. These tiny words appear everywhere. Native speakers use them without thinking, and once you understand the pattern, you will also start using them naturally. I will keep it simple, clear, and practical with examples and small conversations. So let us get into it. First, let us look at a and an. These two are called indefinite articles because they talk about any one thing, not something specific. If I say I want a phone, it means any phone, not a particular one. If I say she is eating an apple, again it means any apple. The important rule is this. Use a before consonant sounds like a cat, a book, a teacher. Use an before vowel sounds like an orange, an umbrella, an idea. Pay attention to the sound, not just the spelling. For example, we say an R because it starts with a vowel sound. But we say university because it starts with a yo sound. Once you notice the sound, choosing a or an becomes much easier. Now let us talk about the. This is the definite article. It is used when both people know exactly what you are talking about. If I say please close the door, you know which door I mean. If I say I visited the Taj Mahal, there is only one Taj Mahal. So the means something specific, something already known, or something unique. We use the with things that are one of a kind like the sun or the sky, with things already mentioned, with specific items, with superlatives like the best and the tallest, and with groups of islands, seas, and rivers like the Himalayas or the Pacific Ocean. A simple tip is this. If the listener knows which thing you mean, use the. If not, use a or an. Let us try a quick practice. I will say a phrase and you decide which article to use. Say your answer out loud. First, apple. That becomes an apple. Next, teacher. That becomes a teacher. Next, sun. That becomes the sun. Next, idea. That becomes an idea. Next, room we talked about. That becomes the room. And finally, dog when you mean any dog. That becomes a dog. Good. These small exercises help these patterns become automatic. Now let us listen to a short conversation with Ramesh. I say, hey Ramesh, I bought a new phone yesterday. Ramesh says, oh nice. Is it an expensive one? I say, not really. It is the cheapest model in the shop. Ramesh says, good decision. Did you get a case for it? I say, yes. I bought a case and an extra charger. Ramesh says, great. And did you meet the guy from the service center? I say, yes. The technician was very helpful. Ramesh says, perfect. Now show me the phone. You probably noticed how we kept moving between a, an, and the depending on whether the thing was general or specific. That natural switching is what you want to aim for. Let us do a quick challenge to build confidence. Make full sentences for each prompt using the correct article. First, interesting movie when you mean any movie. Second, best restaurant in your city. Third, elephant. Fourth, umbrella. Fifth, teacher who helped you in school. Say your sentences out loud. This helps your mouth get used to the sound of correct articles. And that brings us to the end of Unit 8. Articles look small, but they make your English smooth and clear. Remember these ideas. Use a or an for any one thing. Use the for a specific thing. And choose a or an based on the sound. Practice these every day in your speaking and you will notice an immediate improvement. Great work today. Let us continue when you are ready.